In front of me is Emporia SMART Mark Point 5, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Begin by accessing Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is grey, which means that auto rotation is off. To switch it back on, click on the same one again. You can also go into Settings and click on Display. Then scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!